Good morning, guys. Today I am working on fixing a clunk in my front end, and whenever somebody says clunk in the front end, they always want to jump to ball joints. But that's not where my clunk is, at least not where I think it is. Today I'm going after the sway bar end links. It's a very easy thing to fix. It's a very easy thing to check for, and everybody wants to jump straight to ball joints, but this is a super easy fix. So I'm going to jump in there and swap out my sway bar end links, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And it doesn't take very long at all, and see if that fixes my front end clunk. So let's jump into it. This here is the sway bar end link. This is what we're after today. I'm on the driver's side. This is the only one I'm going to do today. I think this is the one that's causing me the trouble. So it's very easy to remove. It's just got two nuts on either side. We're going to start with the top one, and we're doing that so I can demonstrate to you what you're probably going to have to do to get it off. I can't get an impact in here, so we're going to have to do this the old school way. I'm going to throw my wrench on there. Oh, other way. Alright, and so when I turn this, it's probably not going to turn the nut. It's probably going to turn the whole end link. And what do you know? It's just turning the end link. So, I'll show you what you need to do. So in addition to, I'm going to put a ratcheting wrench on here. Okay, and then I'm going to put another wrench up here. That way I can hold the bolt and then turn the nut. This top one is an 8mm and this is an 18mm. I'd like to take a moment to remind everybody that this video was sponsored by carparts.com. They sent over the parts that I needed to do this repair, and if you need any of these parts or any other parts, go ahead and check out their website, carparts.com, and I will put a link in the description below. So we've got the top one off. Now we just need the bottom one, and for that one, I'm going to cheat and I'm going to use an impact. Aha! It works better when you have the right tool. Once you get that first one pretty much undone, come on over to the other side and start loosening whichever one was easiest. And that will allow this sway bar to rotate pretty freely, and then you'll be able to get it up off that lug up there, that bolt. Alright, so now what I'm doing is I've got both sides disconnected, and I'm just going to use this bottle jack to raise up this sway bar just because it's a little stiff. And that is going to get it up off of that end link very easily so that I can take it off. And there we have it. Alright, so I've got my old one and my new one. We're going to take the new one and put it in. Very simply. I'm just going to loosely thread on the included nut. This is a thread locker nut, but I'm going to go ahead and put on a small dab of Loctite just to be safe. And then I'm going to lower this jack and get that other one into its spot. Now make sure you go ahead and torque those down. I don't actually know the factory spec, so we're just going to go with the always accurate German torque spec. Guten tight. And if you look under here at this driver's side one, I did the passenger side. I did the driver's side one. I bet that's my problem one right there. You can see it's got a little bit of grease around that top bushing. I bet that's actually the one that's caused me problems. So I'm gonna get that one changed out too. Doesn't take too long, maybe 20-30 minutes if it's your first time. So not too bad.